All right, y'all, man, take your time, catch your breath. And as you guys are catching your breath, I just want to give you guys this verse before we get out of here.
And this is Psalm 37, verses 23 and 24, which says, "The steps of a man are established by the Lord when he delights in his way. Though he fall, he shall not be cast headlong, for the Lord upholds his hand."
I want to give you guys that verse, man, because in the same way how we're doing this cardio and this workout routine step by step with each exercise laid out for you, in the same way how God is ordering each and every one of you guys' steps to help you get and achieve whatever goal or thing it is that God has put in you to accomplish in this world. I just want to encourage you with that, man, with, wherever you guys are at in life, whether you're at a good place, a bad place, whatever it is, know that each step is being ordered by God. You can be confident that even if you're in a season right now where you're in a valley, it seems dark, you don't really know what's happening, trust and be still in God that where you're at right now is where you're supposed to be, and embrace these times, man, because no matter where you're at, know that this is ordained and it's ultimately going to end up in your good, and it will ultimately develop you into the person that God has made you to be when you can really see and understand that. All right, y'all, that's going to be the workout, man. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Man, leave all the feedback in the comments below, man, how you liked it, disliked it. Was it hard? Was it easy? And definitely if you want me to make more content like this, give me all that feedback in the comments below. Would love to hear from you guys. Definitely be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification as well, as I'm always uploading new content every week to help you enhance your physique, your health, your wellness, and your faith through the foundations of fitness, nutrition, and a relationship with God. And be sure to check out some of my other content as well, man. I'll leave some links in the description to some other videos that I have that I think will further help you. And again, man, I just want to thank you guys for tuning into this video and doing the workout, and hope to see you guys in the next one.